લક્ષ સ્કૂલ ઓફ સાયન્સ બામણમાં ઓનલાઈન અભ્યાસ રસાયણ વિજ્ઞાન લેસન 2 દ્રાવણમાં તમારું હાર્દિક સ્વાગત છે. સ્કૂલ દિવસે દિવસે પહેલાં ઝલક જોઈશું અને સૌથી પહેલાં જોરદાર રિઝલ્ટ વિશે તમે વિચારી શકો છો કે આપણા મજાનું રિઝલ્ટ અહીંયા તૈયાર છે. ઓકે, ત્યાર પછી આપણી સ્કૂલમાં ધાર્મિક કુમારને, મિત કુમારને, હિમાક્ષીને, ખુશીબેનને શું મળ્યા છે? સ્કોલરશિપ સર્ટિફિકેટો મળ્યા છે. અને એ જ રીતે આપણું આ ધોરણ 12નું પરિણામ તમે જોઈ શકો છો. તો એવી જ તમારા પાસે પણ અપેક્ષા સાથે આપણે
જય હિન્દ વાલી મિત્રો, પ્રિય વિદ્યાર્થીઓ અને માનનીય પેરેન્ટ્સ, તમે જાણો જ છો આ મહામારી દરમિયાન બધાની જ નાણાકીય સ્થિતિ સારી નથી. છતાં લક્ષ સ્કૂલ ઓફ સાયન્સે ઘણી ધીરજ ધરી ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ ચાલુ રાખ્યું છે. આમ લક્ષ સ્કૂલ પોતાની ફરજ ચૂકી નથી, તો આપણે આપણી ફરજ ચૂકવીશી જ ને. તો વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, વાલીગણ, જે વિદ્યાર્થીની ગયા વર્ષની ફી બાકી છે એ ભરી દેવા અમારી નમ્ર વિનંતી છે.
પ્રિય વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને માનનીય પેરેન્ટ્સ, આપણે ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ ચાલુ જ નથી રાખ્યું, પણ અન્ય કરતાં આપણે ઘણું સારું કાર્ય પણ કર્યું છે. હવે ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ લગભગ 5 મહિના થવા આવ્યા, તો ચાલુ સત્રની ત્રિમાસિક કે 6 માસિક ફી તો ભરાવી જ જોઈએ. હજુ આપણે ઘણું કાર્ય આગળ કરવાનું છે. માટે શિક્ષકો અને સંસ્થાનો જુસ્સો જળવાયેલો રહે. જો ફી ભરાશે તો એ પર આધારિત શિક્ષક પરિવારના ઘર પણ ચાલશે. આ મહામારી દરમિયાન આપણે એકબીજાનો સહકાર બનીએ.
જય હિન્દ વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો અને વાલી મિત્રો, આપ સર્વે આ ફી નિયમિત ભરી ઓનલાઈન ટીચિંગ માટે શાળાના શિક્ષકો અને મેનેજમેન્ટનો ઉત્સાહ વધારશો. સંસ્થાને નિયમિત આર્થિક સહકાર આપી આપના બાળકની શૈક્ષણિક કારકિર્દીને વધારે વેગવંતી અને સશક્ત બનાવશો. સો ઇટ્સ અવર હમ્બલ રિક્વેસ્ટ ટુ ઓલ ઓફ યુ to pay the fees as soon as possible. Thank you so much.
Welcome dear students to Lux School of Science, and today we are going to talk about chemical reaction of carboxylic acid. In the reaction we are going to talk about today's carboxylic acids, and topic is 12.9.2, where first we are going to talk about the production of anhydride. So this is our first portion, that is we are going to talk is nothing but the production of anhydride. Dear students, we know the formula of the anhydride. The formula of the anhydride is R C double bond O, O C double bond R, RS or R. This is the formula of hydride. Okay, so this is known by everyone. Okay, so now this we are going to solve in manner. Okay, so here we can see RC double O is 2 times. R C double bond O, R dash C double bond O. या तो અહીંયા પણ R જ લઈ લઈએ, એ 2 વખત છે. ઓકે, તમારે જે લેવું હોય તો અહીંયા how will you react them? તો આ રિએક્શન આવી રીતે થશે, R C double bond O, OH. That is the carboxylic acid. And here we are going to take another same thing બંને લઈ લીધું. હવે આ બેનું રિએક્શન આપણે કરવાનું છે. So reaction પર શું રહેવું જોઈએ? તો reaction પર we should have H plus એસિડિક કોઈ કેટાલિસિસ હોય અને ડેલ્ટા આપવાનું, યા તો પછી P2O5 અને ડેલ્ટા આપો. ઓકે, so in both the case you will get removed OH અને અહીંયાથી H, એટલે -H2O will be done. અને RC ડબલ બોન્ડ O, RC ડબલ બોન્ડ O છે, અહીંયા O છે, આ જે અહીંયા જોડાઈ જશે. So that will give you this. So by means of this we can produce the anhydride. Okay, for particular. So particular we are going with the CH3 C double bond O OH, that is the acetic acid or ethanoic acid, with another ethanoic acid. Same reaction will be done. This OH and H will be cancelled out. So remove actually CH3 C double bond O C CH3 C double bond O. So this is nothing but the acidic anhydride. From acetic acid we can develop acidic anhydride. So this is our first step to find out anhydride. So now we are going to talk about the another two things, and that will be very interesting. Okay, which another two things that we are going to talk about? And that is nothing but the esterification. Everyone knows second reaction is esterification, and that is you are studying since I think so 10th standard. Continuous and esterification and such kind of word you have used there. So now here we are going to talk about the esterification. And dear students, in esterification reaction, alcohol or phenol can be react with the carboxylic acid to give the esters. And the simple process is this: RCOOH, that is the carboxylic acid, and which is going to react with the alcohol. Okay, so from here OH and from here H, H2O is removed. And as the H2O is removed, the production will be RCOO R dash. અહીંથી RCO અને અહીંયાથી OR dash જશે. And that is nothing but the ester. So by using carboxylic acid and alcohol in tandem, we can make ester. This process is known as esterification. Now dear students, for the esterification we have its mechanism, very important for examination purpose. So I am going to teach you mechanism that you have to study in nice way. Okay, so how the reaction is produced, that we are going to discuss. So first of all we are taking carboxylic acid. Now this carboxylic acid initially going to react with the H plus when it is used as an acidic, to acidic catalyst મૂકવાનો છે. So first it is going to react with the H plus, and the first step will be produced is nothing but the OH plus. અહીંયા H જોડાઈ જશે, and this is known as protonated carboxylic acid. This is known as protonated carboxylic acid. Now here on this reaction, alcohol is going to attack. On this reaction, alcohol is going to attack, and due to the attack of the alcohol, the production will be like this. Now this alcohol has oxygen. Oxygen has these two extra electron pair, and that is going to attack on the double bond, and double bond will be break up, and the product will be RC. This is OH. Here double bond is break up. This OH remaining as it is, and here oxygen is attached with hydrogen and with R. This is one tetrahedral intermediate product is obtained. This is nothing but the tetrahedral intermediate product first will obtain. Okay, now here protons transfer will be attached out. અહીંયા શું થશે? So proton transfer will be taken place. So due to that proton transfer, this H is going to come here, and we will have the another product RCOH. Here remaining O and R, and this become OH2. H here I just said, that is the protons transfer, and OH2 is produced. Now after that, here the OH2 is removed, and due to that OH2 removing, RCOR, and here OH is remaining. and that's why double bond will go here. And this is nothing but this product is known as protonated ester. This product is known as protonated ester because here we are producing ester, and that's why it is known as protonated ester. Okay, and finally this proton is removed, and due to that H plus minus થઈ જશે, and whatever the octane is nothing but the R C double O double bond O R dash. Now this is nothing but the R C double O R dash, and that is known as ester. So like this we can produce ester. Okay, so in general way I will again show you this. પાછો એકવાર બતાવી દઉં because it is very important for examination purpose. So we have to write here step also. Okay, in first step we have to make, first step is to produce protonated acid. So protonated acid means okay, here we have taken carboxylic acid, and first step it is going to react with H plus, okay, and to produce protonated acid. That means one extra hydrogen will be this, and that's why this become plus. Okay, so that is the first product. As a second product, we are going to produce tetrahedral intermediate. So here I will write tetrahedral intermediate. Okay, so here alcohol is going to attack, alcohol, this O is going to attack on the double bond, and due to that double bond will be break up, and due to the breakup of double bond we will have this product. Oxygen એના સાથે attach થઈ જશે, oxygen સાથે hydrogen અને A છે, and this remain OH, okay, plus as it is. પ્લસ નીકળી જશે કારણ કે ડબલ બોન્ડ તૂટી ગયો ને એટલે પ્લસ નીકળી જશે. So this is first the intermediate tetrahedral intermediate product is obtained. After that proton transfer is there. So here I will write together કે third step માં proton transfer થાય છે. So proton transfer will be taken in this pattern. આ જે H છે અહીંયા આવી જશે, and that's why RCOH, this remain OR, and this become OH2. This is proton transfer. Now removal of H2O. Removal of H2O will produce, that is the fourth number. So at fourth number we are going to produce protonated ester. And here we are going to produce protonated ester, and see how the protonated ester, this OH2 is removed, and that's why RCOH, this will be double bond, and OR dash. Okay, અહીંયા R dash રાખતા લેવાનું તો આ R dash થઈ જશે. So R dash R dash R dash, OH2 is removed. Okay, and finally step will be this H is removed. જે H આપણે એડ કરેલો પાછો, એટલે it is working as a catalyst, and this will give you R C double bond O R dash. This is ester. So at fifth step we are getting ester. Okay, so 5 steps you have to remember for this reaction. First step is to get protonated acid. Second step is tetrahedral intermediate product. Third one is the proton transfer. Fourth one is protonated ester, and finally fifth one is ester. So these are our reaction. So hope that you understand this reaction. So here second reaction we have completed. So now we are going to talk about the third reaction, and third reaction is also very vital. And third reaction is reaction of carboxylic acid with PCl3, PCl5 and SOCl2. So thionyl chloride, and these reactions now we have to discuss a lot. Okay, so in this reaction, first of all, we are going to react with the PCl3. So RCOOH is going to react with PCl3. Now it is 3 times, so that's why we have to take this 3 times. And due to that 3 times, we will produce 3 times COOCl. COCl. That is acid chloride. એટલે આપણે આ રીતે એમાં acid chloride બનાવી શકીએ છે. And acid chloride સાથે હવે અહીંયા H3 વાર રહ્યું છે. એટલે H3PO3 is the production. So byproduct is phosphoric acid. So this is our talk. Here as a byproduct we are getting phosphoric acid. So hope that H3PO3 is written there. You understand. Second is reaction with the PCl5. So RCOOH is going to react with the PCl5, and here the production will be again RCOCl. Production is same, acid chloride, but this with this the byproducts are different, and as a byproduct we are getting POCl3 plus एक हाइड्रोजन बचे છે અને એક અહીંયાથી Cl બચે છે, તો plus HCl will be the product. So that is the second thing. And the third thing is very simple, and that is the reaction of RCOOH with SOCl2, and this is giving you again RCOCl. So all 3 products are same. Here as SO and 1 oxygen, that means SO2, and here Cl and H is remaining. So HCl is byproduct. So these are 3 our reactions about the what? Our stories. Okay. So hope that you understand this very clearly. કે કેવી રીતે કયા પ્રોડક્ટ મળશે. Okay. So finally these reactions are occurring, and now we are moving on the last and final reaction, and last and final reaction is nothing but the reaction of ammonia. Okay, so final fourth one, reaction of ammonia. So ammonia is NH3, and how NH3 is going to work there, that we are going to talk. So dear students, આપણે પહેલા સ્ટેપમાં જોઈ લઈએ કે RC≡OOH, that is the acid, and this acid is going to react with NH3. So first intermediate step આપણને મળશે, and that intermediate step is nothing but the RCOONH4. આ પ્લસ હશે ને માઈનસ હશે. This is known as ammonium carboxylate. CH3 હોય તો એસિટેટ, અહીંયા CH3 એટલે ડેશ કાર્બન એટલે એસિટેટ થઈ જશે. But here R લખ્યું છે, તો R is nothing but this is nothing but the ammonium carboxylate ion. Okay, હવે આ કાર્બોક્સિલેટ આયન ને આપણે સ્ટ્રોંગલી હીટ કરીએ તો હીટ કરતા -H2O થઈ જશે, અને -H2O થતા now product is RCO and NH2. Now this RCO is NH2 is nothing but the amine. So reaction of ammonia with carboxylic acid first give the carboxylate, ammonium carboxylate salt, and then on heating the water molecule is removed, and we will get RCONH2 or RCOONH2 like this, RC≡ONH2, that is also amide. So whatever that amide we are getting here amide. Okay, so this is our product. So hope that you understand the first reaction, how you will produce the amide. Now this same reaction can be done with benzene, that is carboxylic acid. So I am taking here carboxylic acid. Okay, so carboxylic acid is also going to react with the ammonia, and as a first byproduct or the first intermediate product, we are having ammonium benzoate. Okay, now on heating this, here again water molecule is removed, and finally the product will be on the benzene ring CONH2. That is known as benzenamide. So that is benzenamide we can produce by this process, and this process is important because it is occurring in 3 steps. So you have to remember કે ભાઈ બેન્ઝોઇક એસિડ ની એમોનિયા સાથેની રિએક્શન થી આપણને ફર્સ્ટ આપણને શું મળે છે, સોલ્ટ મળે છે. કયો? એમોનિયમ બેન્ઝોઇડ સોલ્ટ મળે છે. આ એમોનિયમ બેન્ઝોઇડ સોલ્ટ ને હીટ કરતા એ બેન્ઝેનામાઇડ માં ફેરવાઈ જાય છે. ઓકે, નાઉ ધીસ રિએક્શન્સ ઓલ્સો કેન બી ગો ફર્ધર મોર, and that will be very important reaction for the chemistry, and these reactions we will learn very nicely. In this reaction, dear students, we are going to react phthalic acid with ammonia. So this is COOH and COOH. That is nothing but the phthalic acid. Phthalic acid. And in this phthalic acid, we are going to add ammonia. 2 mole of ammonia. And 2 mole of ammonia will produce here COONH4, COONH4. Okay, so ammonium phthalate ion. It is nothing but the ammonium phthalate salt. Now in this salt, if you are heating this, and તમે heat કરો છો, the 2 moles of water will be removed from here and from here, and that's why we will have product CONH2, and that is known as phthalamide. This is known as phthalamide. Okay, so phthalamide, so this will be the product. Now on further heating, અને હજુ આપણે હીટ કરીએ, so ammonia molecule is removed. So ammonia molecule માં અહીંયાથી NH2 આખું નીકળી જાય, ને અહીંયાથી એક H જશે, એટલે ammonia થઈ ગયું. So now what is remaining? This is our benzene ring. Okay, on benzene ring we have CO. NH આ રીતે છૂટું પડી જશે, અહીંયા પણ CO રહી જશે, and this CO will attach with this, and this product is known as phthalimine. So 2 products are there, one is phthalimine and another one is phthalimine. Okay, so that you have to remember. Actually this is mide, amide છે તો D સમજવાનું, phthalimide and phthalimide. So I hope that you understand this reaction very well, and with this we are here completing the lesson number 12. Okay, so this is our last video for lesson number 12. Then after we will make some revision. Okay, so that should be noted out. Okay, today I am putting some revision topic, and that you have to follow. So I hope that you will understand this and very nicely. Have a good day.